Hi everyone, this is another video just to show you quickly how to do rendering for this area. I'm just gonna go to the document and then we're gonna go to the creative imaging and then photo rendering setting. Just quickly to show you how to do rendering. For example, this is how it's showing me cylinder render. So scene render, it goes like that. And if you just reviewing it before you do the rendering, just clicking like this, will be loading a little bit, which is showing me a little bit brightness. So when you select this one, it's showing you like exactly, but if you want to work with this one, it will change it. So you can't work with that unless if you just select from here. It's not a custom made. So we're gonna go to the daylight fast physically, and then we're gonna go to this one. It's too, I guess it is too bright. We're gonna go with, so without this one, we're gonna go to the custom. Okay, and we're gonna go a little bit to this one. And we try to do it again. This is how it's look like, so bright, and which is reflecting from here. If we want to do another one, which is HDR, let's see how it's gonna look like. It's too dark, which is not preferred. And if you want to go to this one, um let's see, it's kind of a little bit dark. And if we want to choose physically, I think like when you choose something physical, it's more naturally looks. But yeah, it's much better, and we're gonna go with this one. And then we gonna, if you want to do another thing, like for example, there's different types of environment. You want it this clear, you want it windy, you can do that. But we have to go again to this one. Okay. And then we select, if you want to put another background, it depends on you. Just gonna do rendering. It's gonna be doing the rendering. It's gonna take a little bit time. So this is how it's look like after the rendering. It's look much better, and we can use it as a picture. Just right click, save it as, and you can save wherever you like. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and thank you.